What's up, guys? It's another food vlog day here in beautiful Oahu, Hawaii.
And it's sunny days. That's the name of the place, by the way. And there is a line outside. And what does that mean? The food is gonna be good.
Yes, we've researched this place and it's known to be a really hot spot.
There is a list outside where you have to put your name and then they'll call you. There are currently 4 tables ahead of us. At least you can see how many people ahead of you. So if you are in this area, be sure to stop by Sunny Days. Since Oahu is highly influenced by the Japanese culture, you will find a lot of Japanese places. Sunny Days is no exception. The owners are Japanese and the menu is Japanese influence as well. Sunny Days specialize in homemade fresh ricotta pancakes, which are souffle pancakes. Speaking of souffle, we went to another Japanese restaurant that is specializing in souffle pancakes. I will leave the link in the description below, be sure to check that out. But let's take a look at the menu now. For pancakes, there are 2 options, banana caramel and berry pancakes, which are $10 and $17. There are a wide variety of toasts you can order, all prepared on multi-grain bread. There are also eggs Benedict and Hawaiian specialty loco moco. Sunny Days are also very popular for their sandwiches, which are at $10 to $14, from vegetable to tuna to grilled chicken, smoothie bowls $12, fruit bowls $12 and $14, and they do have daily specials for every day. But be sure to come early because they do run out of it really fast. Come on 1 toast sliced in half with the 2 poached egg, hollandaise sauce, sliced avocado and bacon. And it also comes with side salad and a couple of fresh fruit, oranges and local pineapple. We've come to Sunny Days many times. Our favorite dish there is the berry souffle pancakes. We've also tried their loaded banana pancakes with caramel drizzle and granola. Our least favorite was the egg salad sandwich. It had mostly carrots and a very thin layer of egg salad. Clothespin, which is also called C47 in film industry. The total is $45.03 for 2 dishes and 2 coffees and tax. Egg Benedict $16, berry pancake $17, and each coffee is $5. They do take all major credit cards, which is a plus for us. And Sunny Days final thoughts. For shakas.
Yep.
Only because eggs Benedict weren't as flavorful as it was good looking. But the souffle pancakes, topped it all.
Which is what they're known for.
Yes,
So,
and the amounts of fruits, they just loaded with berries and all of my favorite berries as well.
the staff was very friendly, very prompt with coffee and water and everything else we needed.
The food comes out super fast.
It does, it does.
And I love the vibe. Everybody is super sunny, even cooks.
Yeah.
They're cooking behind the little kitchen counter, and whenever everyone comes in or leaves, they say hello, aloha, thank you, which is really cool.
Right.
This place is very environment and vegan friendly.
Yes.
They do have wooden knives and spoons to go. They have paper straws. So we
Gotta
don't
protect the turtles.
Exactly. I love little touches of orchids on the coffee and pancake. The place is really small. It has only one large table for a party of 8, 4 tables for parties of 4, and 2 tables for 2 people, and just 2 small window tables.
Hence the wait and putting your name on the list and waiting to be called.
Yes, but I think we got called really fast. We probably waited no more than 10 minutes.
Yeah, the line goes pretty quickly, but just keep in mind when you do come here, this place is popular and you will have to wait. The whole entire time we were here, the lines were just continuous outside. It was never a point where it was empty outside till a point we actually left.
And by the way, if you come late, they might just run out of their famous pancakes.
Which is what happened when we were there. They actually ran out. They put the sign outside that says we're out of pancakes, and they were actually in the midst of actually making more.
New batch. If you are in Diamond Head area, going for the Diamond Head Crater hike, or maybe you want to check out KCC Market, be sure to stop by Sunny Days and give their pancakes a try.
That's right. And again, we thank you for watching this video. We hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, leave a comment on what you thought on this souffle, and also what you thought about our eggs Benedict. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, or leaving a comment.
And be sure to check out our cream pot breakfast. We're gonna put the link down below.
Or it's gonna be somewhere around here, there, maybe here. I don't know, but it's there. Just go ahead and click on that. You'll see the comparison between the two, and you make the call.
Really?
Yeah, anywhere, because
What's that? You're right in front of my face.
it doesn't. Oh.